audience only remembers the images you can paint in their mind.
You see, I believe that there is a home for everybody's message out there. There is a media outlet out there for everybody.
Number one rule to success, you're all in until you are all out.
Together with a culmination of heart, soul, mind, body, and strength, together we did it. Together we found wellness.
Your limiting beliefs don't want you to win. That is the war going on inside you every day. Don't give up the territory because there's too much at stake. There are people in your lives counting on you to win.
You have to look at taking the opportunities that happen in your life, the goods, the bad, the ugly, and see what you can do to make an impact and to help someone.
I've come to learn that no act of kindness is ever wasted. You guys need to believe in yourselves, but first, someone's always going to believe in you first.
You can do it. Failing or not, you can do it. And you embrace possibility. Even though you don't know how, you are going to be the multi-millionaire that's making the biggest difference in the world, impacting thousands of lives. And even though you don't know how, you go for it.
If you stay dedicated and motivated to reach for your hopes and dreams, they are attainable.
The Magnetic Entrepreneur Award goes to...
I think it's so important that each of us get recognized for the things that we do, correct? Each one of you, as authors, as writers, and speakers, you contribute.
That is what I'm trying to create, is a global impact. Robert, we thank you for your impact, and we know that the income is coming, so thank you so much.
Well, I'm very proud of him.
Now who the hell speaks?